Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and we click. After that, in this page you will enter to force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You can wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on Facebook Lite. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.